Have you ever wondered how to harness the power of social media for market research? In this digital age, social media platforms are gold mines of valuable data, offering insights into consumer behaviors, preferences, and trends. But how can you use social media effectively for market research? Let's find out. Why should you consider using social media for market research? It's a treasure trove of data, offering real-time insights into trends and sentiments. It's cost-effective and allows for precision targeting of specific demographics. Now that we know why, let's move on to how. To conduct successful social media market research, follow these steps. First, define your objectives. Are you aiming to understand customer preferences, analyze competitors, or track industry trends? Having clear goals will focus your research efforts. Second, choose the right platforms. Consider where your target audience spends their time and the research tools and features each platform offers. Third, it's time for data collection and analysis. Utilize built-in analytics and third-party tools, gauge public sentiment towards your brand or industry, and study your competitors' social media strategies. Fourth, engage and interact. Respond to comments, conduct surveys, and ask questions to gain deeper insights. Use these insights to refine your marketing strategies. Finally, reporting and action. Create clear and compelling reports, and use your findings to refine products, campaigns, or strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively use social media for your market research needs. So, there you have it, an easy guide to using social media for market research. From defining your objectives to engaging with audiences and making data-informed decisions, each step is significant. Remember, social media is a powerful tool for market research. Use it wisely and watch your business intelligence grow.